What's up, girl? What it do? I missed y'all. It seems like it's been so long since I've recorded, and it hasn't even been that long. But today, we're gonna just do a quick, easy video today. I'm gonna use an Amrezy palette. We're gonna do this nice bronzy cut crease tutorial. I know y'all seen the thumbnail, so I mean, if you want to, you can go in with a gold glitter liner. But I've been doing that a lot lately, so I was like, okay, I won't do it in this video. But I feel like I should have. Anyway, we're going to take that first color. I think it's New Yorker. We're going to put that all over my transition area just to make my next color blend out way more easily. And of course, starting off, I'm going to use a bigger fluffy blending brush to diffuse the color easily. Okay, next we're going to go in the shade 1988, and we're going to put that just a little bit lower into our crease than we did with that first New Yorker shade. For this shade, I am using the same brush I used for the first transition shade. I'm just going a little bit lower, which is easy to do with this brush. And you guys can build this color up as, as pigmented as you'd like personally. So, make it your own. Okay, we're going to take this deepest brown. I believe the shade is Yugo. And we're going to pack that tighter into the crease. I'm using a smaller blending brush. It's actually perfect for getting into that crease area, because it's like tapered and then it's flattened. So you just hold it at a perfect angle and it gets right in there for you. To blend these colors, I'm going back in with that first brush I used for the transition in that brown color, and it just helps it blend more easily. So once you get that Yugo shade on there, you blend it out with the lighter shade, and then that was how you get the gradient effect. Y'all can see baby daddy coming in stealing all my props for my set, but whatever, it's okay. I thought he was gonna put it back, but he never did. So this whole video, you're gonna see my lights in the background. Anyways, I'm just gonna go here, cut my crease. I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumor 4. I actually have a lighter P. Louise base coming, but that'll be here on Wednesday. So maybe in the next eye tutorial, you'll see it being used. I don't know. But anyway, fast forward this part for you, because actually, you know what, I kind of rigged my brush to make it easier to cut the crease. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I did that, sure, let me know. I'll put a little card right here. Click that box in the top right hand corner and let me know. Now I'm going in with this golden shade. I don't know the name. I'll put it here on the screen for you. And I'm going to take this color. I'm going to spray my brush. And then I'm going to put it on the majority of my mobile lid, my upper lid. Just going to save that little end piece for just a little, the other gold color. You'll see what I mean in a second. I know, sounds super confusing. Just watch, okay? We're going to put this color here on the majority of the lid. Boom. Okay, so here I'm just taking that brush I was using for that crease color. And I'm just going to blend out, soften the edges a little bit so I can blend the colors a little more easily. I always forget to do this right after I cut my crease, but it's okay. Okay, so this color is Georgina, I believe. And this is the color we're going to use in this little space right here. See what I meant? So I'm just going to, so it's going to be like a gradient, but only at the end of the eyelid. Don't even listen to me. Just put some Georgina right here and then blend the colors together to make them look nice, okay? Okay. Sorry for my not being able to talkness, but words are not my forte, girl. I'm sorry. Okay, so here I'm just brushing away some of the excess shadow I had. Kind of went above my crease, and I don't like that, so I just brushed it away. Now I'm going to put on my eyeliner. I'm going in with my NYX liquid eyeliner in the matte formula. Only eyeliner I use, but you know what? If it ain't broke, okay? So we're just going to line our lids. Wing it out however you want to, and be a boss. And now for the final touch for this top lid, we're going to put on this glitter. This is like a glitter, like a topper. So we're just going to, I don't know the name, girl. I'm sorry. You saw what I was pointing at. Okay, we're just going to use that. And I'm going to pack that all over where I put the first gold shade. And then that's the top lid. And then we'll just move on to the bottom lid. And we're almost done, girl. Hang in there. Looking back, now that I'm editing, I should have used the NYX glitter glue for this part. Or my finger or something. I didn't. I mean, it's stuck, but it would have been more pigmented. So I put on lashes. Now we're going to go in with this shade Yugo, and we're going to take a flat packing brush and put that just about 3/4 of the way on that bottom lid. Then we're going to go in with this 1988 shade, and that can go right under that darker shade and then all the way across that bottom lid. Girl, I don't know. But once I get that, I'm going to take a pencil brush, like a little small pencil brush, blend those colors together so that way it's no harsh lines. So I recently received these in the mail. You know, I'd ordered them. And I'm like, screw it. Let's put one of these on my bottom lash line. So that's what I did. And actually, I like the way it came out. So You kind of have to build up the intensity. The first time I went over it, it wasn't as, bright as I wanted. So I went over it again a couple times, and then it looked good. It didn't irritate my eyes or nothing like that. So if you want details on this, whatever this one is, I will put it in the description box because I can't see it. So I don't know what it is. And as always, my last step of my makeup is my bottom mascara. I'm going to put that on and then I'm done. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the final look for the eyes. As I was saying, you can go in with a glitter liner right above that cut crease or wherever you want, really. But I like this look. I like the pop of blue in there. Came out great. As always, I want to thank y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, and being my friend, girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.